Legendary music pioneer Wailer has passed away. This is a breaking news report on Links W7 TV. When we return, we'll have the details of this to come on the program. This is Links W7 TV news report, and we'll be right back after this break. Welcome to Links W7 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links W7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Reggae legend Neville O'Reilly Livingston, popularly known as Bunny Wailer, Bunny Livingston, and most affectionately called Jabi, has passed away. He died at the Medical Associate Hospital in Kingston, Jamaica on Tuesday. He was aged 73 years old. Bunny Wailer was the frontline serving member of the iconic group Bob Marley and the Wailers and has been a long-standing figure on social and international music reggae stage. He was born in 1974. The singer Jabi was a singer-songwriter, percussionist who, along with Bob Marley and Peter Tosh, were members of the Wailers. He was a three-time Grammy winner. He is also considered one of the long-time standing bearers of reggae music. In 2017, he was conferred with the Order of Merit OM, the fourth highest honor in Jamaica, for his contribution to the popular music of reggae. Now, we here at Links W7 TV just want to take this opportunity as well, just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of the late music pioneer. A number of individuals, including local celebrities, politicians, and other fellow musicians, took to social media just in order to express the sadness of the passing of one of Jamaica's most exotic and creative music pioneer of all time, Bunny Wailer. As it relates to the politician that took to social media, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, also gave a tribute to the late musician. In his tribute, the Prime Minister wrote, "My deep condolences to the family, friends, and fans of the legendary reggae artist Neville Livingston, also known as Bunny Wailer, Jabi." The Prime Minister said that he is considered as one of the long-standing bearers of reggae music. Bunny Wailer was a founder and an original member of the ska, rocksteady, and reggae group, the Wailers, along with the late Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. The Prime Minister further went on to state that Bunny Wailer was a three-time Grammy Award winner. In 1991, he won for the Best Reggae Album, Time Will Tell, a tribute to Bob Marley. 4 years later, he won another Grammy with the album Crucial Roots Classic, and in 1997, his third Grammy was awarded for the Hall of Fame, a tribute to Bob Marley's 50th anniversary. Bunny Wailer is respected by the elder statesmen of the Jamaican music scene. This is a great loss for Jamaica and for reggae. Undoubtedly, Bunny Wailer will always be remembered for his sterling contribution to the music industry and Jamaica's culture. May his soul rest in peace. So that was a post from the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, giving a tribute to the late reggae pioneer. Also taking the time to express sadness at the passing of the great music pioneer is international recording artist Bounty Killer. In a post on his social media platform, Bounty Killer stated that the music has lost one of the great foundation members and may his soul rest in peace. And we here at Links W7 TV just want to take this opportunity as well just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of the great reggae pioneer. We'll have an updated report about this passing of this musician in a later newscast, or an updated report in our program Let's Talk. This is Links W7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.